Hello and welcome back to our channel Financeable. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up a new account in MetaTrader 5. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your MetaTrader 5 app. Then this type of interface will appear in your screen. From the top right corner you can see a add button. Click on it. Then click to MetaQuotes Limited. From here you can log into your existing account or just open a demo account. Click on it. Here enter your personal details like your first name, second name, phone number, email address and others. Once you have entered your personal details, click to I accept terms and conditions. Then you should be able to register a new account in MetaTrader 5. This is how you can sign up to MetaTrader 5. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.